Hello everyone, welcome to the DASHCAM teacher. Today, we are going to look at some crashes, road rage, and some idiots driving cars. So grab your favorite snack and get ready. I hope you enjoy.
Sharp look and try not to hiss. No, Courtney. It was really 50. She slowly looks up from the cornbread she's mashing between her fingers, and even...
Exit the roundabout onto the slip road.
Manual recording will now start.
Do you farm?
Well, we do mostly corn and soybeans, but we also have goats and chicken layers of chickens, yeah.
Layers of chickens, cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Sarah. Appreciate
Thank
it. Let me get to one more beer we're going to taste. And Eric, I'm going to turn to you because this one uses Mighty Axe hops, which is available here at the fair. It's the Minnesota Haze IPA from Lakes and
Pero meron siyang Wednesday at saka Thursday yung sa doktor. Mag-drive siya sa doktor. Pero... Oh my God! Paspas, magbuka na. Kinay lang. Sa Lord.
The tire bit hard. Yeah, dude, it ripped up the track a little bit.
This dude literally got out into between the two lanes to stop anybody from getting past him because the two lanes are going to merge into one. About 200 feet up, there is still two lanes for 200 feet, and this dude is blocking the lanes. Like, I shouldn't continue to go around him or something, like it, get in front of him. That is because he got over to the right lane early. The left lane's going to end in like 200 feet. That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. I can't go, lady. There's a truck blocking me.
So Lexus asks different questions, better questions, more human questions, and the answers are as inspiring as you are, which may leave you with one question. Is what you inspire next? Find out at lexus.com/curiosity. Lexus. Experience.
I know it's only $1.29 Canadian, whatever.
Yeah.
A month. But still, I was hoping not to have to do that. So now at least it's all backed up. So if I do go up to the bigger one, I can, it should be a pretty easy thing to do.
Absolutely.
Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, and take a look at these two videos. Maybe you like them.